This one is the pulp, juicing jar. This one is the pulp jar. Okay. This one is the auger, and this one is the lid. Okay. So first, you have to place this. It's not placed because this is open. No? This one. So you make it semi-open, so that this cap is given for the other strainer. Like for the smoothie strainer, this is given. That's why it's not fixed.
It's not yet fixed properly.
This thing you have to like semi-open. You have to put because from here only the pulp is out.
It is semi-open always, not completely.
No, if you want like this one is a juicing strainer. Okay, there are two more strainers. One is for smoothie.
No, I'm just asking about this. Is this have to be
semi-open
closed?
Yeah. If you if you have that strainer, so that smoothie strainer, then you have to close it because there is only one outlet there.
Okay.
For this juicing, you have to from here only the pulp out. If you close it, there is no pulp, no area from which you can see the pulp.
Okay.
You have to semi-open so that. That's why I press it little bit inside.
So it is not to be closed completely, is what you say.
Yeah.
But for smoothies and other things, it has to be closed completely.
You can buy those strainers from Kuving side, I tell you.
That is one disadvantage with Kuvings, that they're not giving all the strainers for the sorbet.
You have to buy separately actually.
I know.
Yeah.
Sorbet and
you can see now.
things.
So to place this, this is a rotating wiper. This the juicing strainer. You have to place like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now align this dot with this red dot. So as you can see.
Okay.
So place this auger. You have to put it here, press it, and move it. You can see the rotating wire move in the opposite direction.
Yes.
It means it's fixed. Okay. Now come to the lid. You have to align the radius, then make it close. Make sure this arrow should be in between these two triangles. Then only it's started. Now this one is the juicing jar. This one is the pulp. Okay. Now it's come with one switch you can see behind. This is for forward starting. This is a neutral for off. For start, you just put on forward. Start. If something is stuck inside the any food.
Does this shake like this? No, keep it on.
Yeah.
It moves.
Yeah, it's like this over here.
Okay.
If something is stuck inside, you have to press reverse.
Reverse.
So 5 to 6 seconds you have to press, leave it.
Okay.
Then forward. There's one more thing, pusher is also there.
Right,
If you want to push, you can easily. So this is about the machine. Now if you want to try some fruits, you can try them. So मुझे भी वीडियो भेज दीजिए. मैं ऊपर दिखा दूँगा. It's easily washable.
But I thought all this also would be getting out of that.
You just push with some spoon or something.
Yeah, correct.
Now, first remove the strainer. And remove that out. If something is stuck in this set, you can clean with a brush. The cleaning brush.
This is the brush.
It's easily washing. Now, is the other brush green one? To wash this. can easily put water and wash. Okay. You can see nothing is falling. This is all. To clean this, clean it easily. Remove this one. So there is no separate for the this pulp. That's why they give it for the smoothie and other things.
That is little confusing. Why is that half closed or closed?
What happens is like this is not for juicing. If you close it, you can close. When juicing also you can close. But the other but what happens? No, inside it also is like stuck everything. Like pulp is not on.
Yeah, but it can be
it
kept
can,
open also.
Open bus is not filled that.
Not
push
filled.
on it, yeah, there is no problem. You can easily put it like this. Half. If you close it, it's okay, but you have to clean more.
Yeah, I got it.
This is all the cleaning. Anything left? This one is the jars.
Yeah, that you can do.
So this is about the cleaning and using of the